Yo, what's up, guys? And as usual, we will be solving some LeetCode problem. And today's question number is 168. And the title of the question is Excel sheet column title. And the topic related to the question is math and string. And the description of the question goes as given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. For example, a if 1 is given to us, then we need to return A. And let's look at some example. If input is 1, then the output should be A. And if it's not A, then it means A. Okay, so I got it. What it means is, uh, as we know, there are 26 letters in alphabet. So the input can vary from 1 to the power 31 minus 1. So it means if from any number given here, what we have to do is uh, we have to return the equivalent column. No, I think yeah, row number. So if the number given to us 3, then it means that we have to return C. As we know, the equivalent row to column 3 should be C in the Excel. And if it is given to us 28, the input is given to us is 28, then as we know, there are 26 alphabets in our 26 alphabet in the alphabet. So what we have to do is we have to subtract 28 minus 26 and the result will be 2. So, and our answer will be A, and then B. I think that's what it's trying to say. Yeah. Then if it is 701, then the answer is ZY. 701. Then the answer is ZY. Let's square 26 with 26. Sorry, let's square 26 and see what the answer is. 26 square is 676. Okay, so 676. So it means that we have to subtract 701 minus 676. Mm, okay, so it means that we have to divide the given number by 26, right? So what happens if the number given to is 1000? What is the equivalent row for 1000? So what we have to do is we have to divide 1000 by 26, and the result will be 38. As 38 is also greater than 26. So mm, then again we have to divide 38 by 26, and so the answer will be A, and we have to uh, just now subtract 1000 minus uh, 1000. Let's we have to find the each value of the alphabet in each position. If it appears in the last position, then the value is equivalent to its number. For example, if the number appears here is A, then it means that its value will be 1. And likewise, if the alphabet which appears here is Z, then it means that its value is 26. If an alphabet appears here A, then what is its value then? Is the alphabet whose value was AB was 28. So it means the alphabet which appears here will take the value 26. Sorry, not 26, 27. Right? Yeah, 27. What? this is 26, then it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I think it's better to look it in this way. If first A is 1, then B is 2, and C is 3, and likewise, if we follow this pattern, then Z will be 26, and A will be 27, and A A sorry, not B will be 28. Then what should we do for uh, okay, so if we follow this pattern, then BA will be uh, 26 plus 26 plus 1. Okay, so we can see a pattern here like A represent 26 plus 1. So if A appears in second place, then it will take the value of 26. Whereas if B appears in 26, then it will take the value of 26 plus 26, which is 26 times 2. Likewise, if C were to arrive appear here, then it will take 26 into 3 plus 1. But the answer, sorry, the input given to us is not this alphabet. The input given to us is the integer number. So we have to convert this into this. So what we can do is we can start a loop and we can try to divide the given number to us. What out? For example, the given number to us is 1000. If the given number to us is 1000, then what will be the desired answer here? As we can see, A in third place will take 26 in, no, it won't take 26 into 3. It, uh, what will it take? Hmm, if Z takes 26 into 26, then okay, so it means that uh, A which appears, okay, I got it. A which appears in first place will take 26 to the power 0. A which appears in second place will take 26 to the power 1. A which appears in third place will take 26 to the power 2. And B which appears in first place will take 26 to the power 0 plus 1. Uh, and but A, which appears in second place, will take 26 to the power 1 only if we have a number which is greater than 26. For example, 27, then the answer will be AA. So, first, what we need to find is we need to divide 26 by how much? We need to divide 26 by 26 and look into value. In the value will be the uh, okay, I misspoke here. What I meant is we need to divide the given number by 26. Suppose if the number is 1000, then it means that we need to divide 20, 1000 by 26, which is equals to 38.46 and some random numbers. So it means that the answer is 26 to the power third, sorry, not 26 to the power 38. 26 is multiplied by 38. Yeah, 26 is multiplied by 38. So what does it indicate? Hmm, how can I do it? Okay, so math in string, a number will be given to us. We have to convert the number into this. For that, we have to first check uh, if we divide 1000 by 26, then the answer will be 38.46, uh, which is 26 into 38. Okay, so it means that it is equals to 26 into 26 plus 12, which is 26 squared plus 26 into 12. If it is 26 squared, then it means that A is in in third place, but we have 26 here too. And 26 times 12 means we have to go on by 12 digit, JKL. So here it will be L, and in second place what will be? Then, is this is already gone. Now we have to look at the remainder. When we multiply 26 by 38, it becomes 988. So when you subtract 1000 by 988, the result is 12. So this L doesn't make any sense as 12 is equivalent to L2. But what will be the value side here? Let's look at the uh, column 1000 in EXL to equivalent to. Okay. Uh, so subtracting the number doesn't help at all. What are the other ways in which you can solve this problem? Hmm, what we can do is, first of all, we have to, like I said, divide the number and find its quotient and remainder. Its quotient is 38 and remainder is 12. Right, so 12 is equivalent. As we know, when we divide a number, when we divide any number by n, the possible remainders ranges from 0 to n minus 1, which is n different reminders. So when we divide 20, any number by 26, the possible remainder can range from 0 to 25. So we know what to equate. Okay, so the remainder will be from 0 to 25. So when we divide 11 by 26, the remainder is only 11. So when we divide 26 by 26, then the remainder will be 0. So it means if the remainder is 0, uh, then we have to move one. So, but 26 is equivalent to z. So if the remainder is 0, then we need to put z at last. Okay, so let's look. If our number was 988, okay, let's look at the simple number of 26, which is easier to calculate. Let's take 52. Um, so when we divide 52 by 26, then we will get quotient equals to 2 and remainder equals to quotient equals to 2 and the remainder will be mm, uh, okay 0. I'm so dumb. And the remainder will be 0, so it means we need to put z, sorry, we need to put z at last, and 2 means b, so 52 is 52 is 52 equivalent to bz. Is that the case? uh I think so. Maybe, maybe not. Let's look. I think, okay, as we know, b means 26 to the power 1 plus 26, but we can't put only b. We have to put our number, sorry, alphabet after, an alphabet after b, which should be a in this case, I think, or not. Okay, let's look. After reaching z, then we will get a, which is 27, and likewise we will reach az, which is 27 plus 25, right? 27 plus 25, which is 52. Yeah. So the answer is 52. Okay, 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 okay. So if quotient equals to, okay, so the answer is AZ. But when we divide that number, we will get 2, 0. Okay, so what we have to consider is, uh, okay, okay, I got it. So what it means is, if we get quotient equals to 1, then it means that we will only return z. But if quotient equals to 2, then we will return az. I mean, if the remainder is 0 too. But if quotient equals to 2 and remainder equals to 1, then we need to return ba. Yeah. What happens? But when the quotient is greater than 26 itself. If the quotient is 20, okay, so quotient can't never be greater than, uh, yeah, it can be greater than, remainder can't be greater, but quotient can get greater. If it is 27, then what we need to do? It means that we need to uh, again step a bit ahead, and we need to, okay, so it's getting a bit confusing. Uh, I don't know how to do this. Okay, so what I need to do, or do I need to do here? I'm not getting any idea at all. Okay, okay. So we have numbers. We have to convert them into equivalent alphabets. So we need a formula. Now we need a formula to represent what's the value of actual alphabet is in any certain position. Like if A is in second place, we know if A is in second place, then we know that it will take the value of 26. But things like this won't help us. So what does math means there? Does it mean we have to create formula, or is there a separate techniques? or list of uh, problem solving techniques inside of math. If there is, then I am totally in dark and I don't get anything at all right now. What does discussion means? Question is important because it doesn't really give the full impression behind the pattern. No, not everyone is aware of the column naming practices of Excel. I had to run it manually and multiple different customer to take test cases to find out pattern was a huge waste of time. If the pattern working or the pattern is described properly, it becomes simple problem. Since you only have to code the pattern, this must be a coding question, not find out the secret pattern question. Because if it is find the secret pattern question, why it should be medium problem. This should be a medium. Okay, so I think other finds it hard too. But I have to solve it without looking at the solution. I have to brainstorm. Should I open Excel too? I think I should do that. I'll open Excel in separate tab or in my second monitor, and yeah. But I already know the working of Excel. It go up to Z, and it will start from A, and it will continue until we reach AZ, then it will be BA, then it will continue until we reach BZ, and it will be CA, and this will be continued until we reach ZZ. After that, we'll get, after that, we'll be getting AAA, but I don't know what pattern does this follow. Okay, so what is the case when we need to return AAA? When our answer is 26 to the power 2 plus 26 to the power 1 plus 26 to the power 0, right? Which is equivalent to 26 square plus 26 plus 1, 703. Okay, okay. So how will I know when the given number is, how will I know when the given number is 703 that the answer will be AAA? Okay, so mm, when I divide 703 by 26, we get 27.03, which means that 20, we can multiply 26 27 times, then we will get closer to 703. But if we multiply 26 27 times, which is equivalent to 26 to the power 2 plus into 26. Sorry, not into 26, 26 to the power 2 plus 26. And here the rest is equivalent to, oh, it's getting confusing. It's getting confusing. It's getting confusing. It's getting confusing. Okay, we actually we could use recursive function, and what we can do is we can divide a number, we can divide a given number by 26, right? We can divide a given number by 26, and we can send that number as our, we can send that number as our, okay, so what I will do is I will create another function right here, uh, which will return me string answer, and it will take just like above function, it will take number, and I will do my actual task right here. And okay, so it won't or it will. But if it returns string, then it will be same in that function. I need a function which is what does I require from a function? Actually, I require a function which return me string. So this function will work same. So we are given a number, right? What we have to do is int. We shouldn't use int as it can be clearly greater than uh, the. Should we use double double or double? I think we should use double only. It is for quotient and a remainder can be stored by normal integer. So what we can do is uh, we need reminder. What reminder uh, should be taken at last or not? So when I divide 26, sorry, not 26, when I divide given number by 26, let's suppose 1000, right? If I divide 26 by 1000, what I can do is I can check whether that number is greater than or less than 26. Is we will get 48, so it means it is greater than 26. Now what I will do is I will again pass this number to again pass this number to that same function, and it will again divide it by 26. And again it will be divided by 26, and now we will get 1.46. So let's say 1. So it means that currently we have 1. As we know, 1 means a, right? As 1 means a, we will put a here. So what we can do is if the given uh, um, so as we get 1 here, so we'll put a here, and we'll come back here, and after here, after coming here, uh, we can use a else condition where the no, okay, so we can use else condition where we will store not in else condition, but in that same if condition, what we can do is we can take the remainder, and the remainder will be 12. Yeah, when the number is divided by 26, then the remainder equation will be 1, and the remainder will be 12. So the equivalent of 12 is L, and we'll come here and we'll look at the remainder here, which is equals to 26 into 38,000 minus 26 into 38, which is equal to 12. Right, yeah, which is equals to 12. Now the answer will be ALL. Is that the correct answer? Let's see. Uh, number to Excel column later. I don't need solution. I need a website which can convert me, give me the answer. I don't need that. Data converter. Okay, let's see. 1000. Yeah, it means ALL. And what we got is ALL. Okay, so we can use it. Okay, so what we can do is we will divide on a number. If the divided number, which is uh, column number, if the divided number, when if we divide a number by 26, if it is greater than 26, if it is greater than 26, what we will do is Uh, okay, so before doing that, I think it's better to do this UMBR divided by 26 and remainder equals to C O L U M N N U M B R percent percentile 26. So instead of putting it here, what we will do is if if quotient if quotient is greater than 26, then first of all we will use another string variable for storing the answer. What we will do is we will use ans equals to convert to convert to title convert to title and pass quotient here. And after the answer comes here, what we will do is, okay, what should we do? Yeah, the answer. Now the remaining will be quotient to us, right? So this process will continue until we'll okay. So uh, the, in else condition, if uh, it is greater than 26. Okay, so instead of using this, we can use if it is greater than 26. Else, if it is not greater than, then the value can uh, if 26. What should I do? For Z, we need 26, right? So when we divide a number, then the quotient will be 1. As 1 is smaller than 26, we will come in else block, right? Yeah. We are actually using quotient. Okay, so if quotient is greater than 26, if what happens when the quotient is not greater than 26? When you divide a number, if quotient is not greater than 26, then what will happen? Like for say, let's say, if you divide a number by 27, then the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 1, right? So it will come here. So instead of using this, what we need is if quotient is greater than 0, then we will talk if, but if quotient equals to 0, and quotient equals to, if quotient equals to, is greater than equals to 1, and the remainder is not equals to 0. As if when quotient is equals to 1 and remainder is equals to 0, then it means that the answer will be, and then the answer will be, what will be the answer? Then the answer will be Z, right? Yeah. Is when we divide 26, is when we divide a number by 26, uh, 26 means Z. So when we divide 26 by 26, the quotient will be 1 and divided will be 0. But when quotient is greater than 1 and remainder is not equals to 0. So what happens when the number is perfectly divisible by, okay, so we can't use not equals to remainder is not equals to 0, yeah. Otherwise it will completely disturb our condition. If quotient is greater than equals to 1, and here we will check if remainder is equals to 0. If quotient is 1 and remainder is equals to 0, then return we will simply return Z. However, if remainder is not equals to 1, then we will use recursive function and we will use convert to title and pass question here. And after question comes, after the answer desired answer comes, suppose let's say we are here, right? It will go here, and as the answer is one, so it will come here. Yeah. And after coming here, what it will do is it will uh, uh, what will it do? Let's create a no, we can't do that. Okay, so how can we make it return A when the question is equals to 1? No, actually, we need to return A when remainder is equals to 1. As we have already checked, quotient is not greater than equals to 1, so it will obviously be equals to 0. And when is equals to 0, what we can do is we can, first of all, we need to create a uh, character array named array. What we'll do here is, okay, it won't there. So let's ask ChatGPT how to make C++ one, give us one when we, sorry, give us a when we input one. I mean for all alphabet. If input is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 6, character later equals to a plus input minus 1. See out later and then invalid input. Okay, so we can use plus. Yeah. Okay, so it will work. But it will be character, not string. What happen if we use string instead of, let's see, okay. Okay, so nothing will be changed. Okay, so what we can do is we can simply we know the remainder, so what we can do is we can return a plus a plus remainder minus 1, right? As remainder is when remainder is equals to when the remainder is equals to 1, then 1 minus 1 will be 0, and we'll return a as the desired return should be 1, so it will work. So for 1000, this recursion will continue and will reach when the question equals to 1, and when question equals to 1, else block will be activated and 1 minus 1 will be 0 and will return a, and a will be taken by previous recursion function, and a will be assigned here. And plus equal, let's do as plus equals to, yeah, and we can okay, so instead of using that, it's better to leave it in. Let's try this first. Answer plus equals to, but it doesn't matter is in each case uh, we will eventually return the answer, and the answer will be taken back, and it will be assigned here. It will work, right? Yeah, let's see. uh, is one comes here, will return A. So A will be taken by the answer, and we still have the remainder left. So before uh, assigning uh, the answer which comes from the recursion to the ans variable, what we need to do is what we need to calculate for the remainder. What we can do is we can use the same technique, A plus R minus 1, and after that the answer will be added here, and it will be returned to next or the previous recursion call. I don't know whether it will work or not. Runtime index 25 out of bounds for type const. What does it mean? Let's feed the error to the chat GPT. The runtime error you are encountering is due to how you are attempting to perform the character conversion, especially the causes undefined behavior is a constant string and adding an integer to it performs pointer arithmetic instead of character manipulation. Issue solution corrected code convert the character to string, but when I said it to use string, it did right. Yeah, I told it to use string and it did that. Okay, so I got it. But I did double quote. Yeah, I used double quote. It also used double quote. Plus input minus one. Yeah, that's what I did. Convert the number of corresponding alphabet and store in the, yeah, that's what I did. A plus R minus one. So is bracket this you? I don't think so. Bracket isn't this you? Yeah, yeah. But the code clearly said I could use it, so that's what I use. So I need to use string one comma. What is one used for? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Later string. So I will use string. Okay. Okay. So instead of using this, I need to use string in one comma in character A plus R minus 1, and the same goes here, but just this only. Control and so control C and control V. Let's run it. The answer we got is wrong. As it has only one, so it worked. But in case the output was BA, okay, so we are going in correct direction, but the answer is coming in reverse order, right? That's what happened. That's what happening. Yeah. And why is this Z small? Okay, so I scale with Z here. Okay, so I think this should be Okay. So think this will be and instead of using this, we can use this. Let's look. Will it work? Okay, it worked. Let's submit it. Let's pray to God it worked. Okay, so it didn't, bro. Output Z expected Z. So I didn't get output Z only. Okay, so I think what happened is if quotient is equals if quotient is equals to 1 and remainder is equals to 0. That's the only case when we return Z. I'm just trying out. It might work or it might not. I don't know. At the rate. Okay, so 52 means the answer should be AZ. Yes, that's right. So we need a separate condition for remainder. Yeah. As okay. So as the remainder here is 0, so it will becomes a minus 1, which is at the rate. So that's why we got at the rate. Yeah. Then we got B because we so it returned B. Why did it return B? Okay, so let's use our condition. When we divide our number 52 by 26, quotient equals to 2, the remainder equals to 0, right? So it means that as quotient is greater than 1, so we'll come here and we'll again divide 2 by 26 as quotient is 0, so and remainder quotient equals to 0 and remainder equals to 2. So uh, a plus 2. Okay, so that's what happened. So hmm, then what is AZ equivalent to 52? Yeah. So uh, this is the case for AZ, right? As our remainder here is 2 and quotient equals to 0. So it will be 2 in this case. I think what we need to do is if remainder equals to 0, then we need to, okay, that's not what I meant. If quotient equals to 0, which is true, mm, uh, this becomes B and this becomes at the rate, right? Previous one. But what we need is a Z. We are so close, but still far. What happens when we divide a number? Okay, what happens when each time we get a number, we subtract it by 1. Then it becomes 51. Then the quotient will be 1 and remainder equals to 20, not 20, quotient equal, and remainder only 25. So what we can do is, I think we can actually use column number minus equals to 1. After doing so, what will happen is uh, the number will be divided by, and we can now use correct calculation as the remainder can go from 0 to 25. And what we can do is we can make 0 to be like when our number is 1, then it will be subtracted by 1 and it will be 0, right? So if the number is 0, then we can return a. So if this happens, then we don't require minus 1 here. We don't need this, and we don't need this minus 2, and we don't need this 2, I guess. Let's try. I think it won't work. It isn't that simple, but it work. It might work. Okay, bro, it worked. Lol. Thank God it worked. So what I thought was, we were getting issue here, right? Is is the answer, is the remainder can go from 0 to 20, 0 to 25. So we were getting issue. Uh, sorry. Uh, yeah. What was happening was when you divide a number by 26, the possible remainder can go from 0 to 25, right? So, uh, as we know, in normal cases, 1 means A and 26 means Z. So we weren't getting any number equivalent to Z. So what I thought was, let's make A equivalent to 0 and Z equivalent to 25. So when we divide that number by 26 now, as we are still dividing the number by 26. So what is happening is our remainder is still from 0 to 25, but our the value desired value for A has shifted to 0, so Z has shifted to 25. So now we are getting desired answer. That that's what I thought. And it took me literally 52 minutes to solve this damn question. So okay, so that's it for today. I'm getting a bit frustrated, so I like to end this video right now. And thank you for watching.